After all, I could recite my lesson in front of my teachers, so I could take my shortcuts. Let's come to the point. Guys, we have gathered here on the basis of Islam. According to him, only this is the gathering, which is very simple of Islam. According to the law, it's not a huge gathering, but according to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, only this is the gathering, which is the symbol of Islam. According to him, only this is the gathering, which is endless. According to him, only this is the gathering, which is not defeated. According to him, only this is the gathering, which is powerful. According to him, only this is the gathering, which is the hub of angels. According to him, only this is the gathering, which is unbeatable. Really, I am running short of words to appreciate this gathering because its benefits are horrible. So make dua that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us chance again and again to sit in this types of gathering. Ameen. My audience, there is a hadith also on this topic. Once what happened, Sahaba was sitting at a particular place. Now Islam came and said, "Oh my great companions, when you pass by the Amish garden, so praise something of them." All Sahaba got surprised and asked, "Ya Rasulullah, how is possible to praise in Amish garden?" Because heaven is the place that nobody can imagine. Heaven is the place that nobody can see that. Heaven is the place that nobody can enter in that. Heaven is the place that nobody can sit in that in this world. So how it's possible to praise in Amish garden? So Islam made them understand, oh my great companions, when you come at a particular place and talk about Deen, talk about Islam, talk about Allah, talk about Akhirah, talk about Jannah, talk about Jahannam, and talk about those things which are related to Islam, it's all become the garden of heaven, and that place becomes heaven. So these places are like paradise in this world. By the way, I'm to say something about alayhi salatu wassalam. My friends, everybody want to get success in this world. But what is the real success? According to the world, who has money, who has bank balance, who has luxury car, who has dinner, who has fame and fame, who has power, that is success. But this is not a real success. The real success is that which is forever. The real success is that which is endless. The real success is that which brings happiness. And the real success is only in the way of alayhi salatu wassalam. The real success is in the way of Sahaba. The real success is in the way of Tabi'i. The real success is in the way of Tabi'i. That's why if you want to get real success, so you have to follow the way of alayhi salatu wassalam. If you want to get real success, so you have to follow the way of Sahaba. If you want to get real success, so you have to follow the way of Tabi'i. If you want to get real success, so you have to follow the way of Tabi'i. My friends, आप